Hey guys, it's Ipsy time! I feel like I've been away for a long time, but we're all stuck inside right now and, you know, things happening in the world, but videos must go on, right? So, got my Ipsy. Took off the bag because my husband was like, no, I don't know where it's been, so let's disinfect that. So, got my bag right here. It's a really pretty, what color would you call this? Like a teal. And it says 100th Ipsy bag. Wow. I didn't even pay attention to that. That's my bad. So happy 100th bag. Let's see what I got. Okay, well, obviously the first item that was in there was these two masks, and they're called sheet masks. One's in hibiscus and one's in lemongrass green tea. I'm not a fan of face masks, but really nice product, of course, to have. Next item. So I did get two brushes. One of them was with my points, so thank you for those that use my link, but I believe this is the one that I got with my points, which I already have, but I wanted another one because I really love their brushes. Very soft. And this one's from Farrah. So it's just like a nice blending brush, which I really like. And it's a 35E brush. So with my points, I got that one. So the next brush I have is from Luxie, which I have plenty from Luxie. I love that they give us brushes. This is a Pro Precision tapered brush. So I'm going to assume, you know, right in there. But very fluffy. Beautiful. And I love this beautiful color. Now into the bag. Okay, so love the colors. It's actually kind of matching my eyeshadow today. I went a little crazy because I haven't worn makeup in like 3 days or even did my hair because we're able to roll out and work from home, which is I'm blessed to be able to do that. But I had a little fun today with some makeup, so here we go. Alright, so the first item I have is from Hanali, and it's a lip balm, and it's in Island Mint. Always good for chapstick. Got some few items in here which are all wrapped up, and my card, which is Celebrate You card. They are items in here. Won't look because I don't even remember what I got. Alright, so this first one, again, they're all bubble wrapped, which is really nice. So this is from Shanna B from Miami. I don't think I've heard of this brand. Ooh, and it is a Guava Glow, so it's a highlighter. I'm not sure if you see it. Yeah, it's kind of like more of like a subtle glow, which would be nice in the summer when you just want to get a little glimmer. Okay, so the next item is from Wander Beauty, and it's all taped up, and it is a eyeshadow. It's called Blossom. Okay, so it's taped, which is kind of cool, but a pain in the ass. Okay then. Don't ruin my packaging. Alright, there we go. Okay, that's good. Let's take a look at the color. Ooh, whoa. That is glittery. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Look at that shine. Let's test that out. Oh, that's jockey. Whoa. Can you see that color? Wow. I mean, see, like, it's pretty chalky there, but that's my fault because I went hardcore in it. But that's a really pretty color, like center. That's really nice. I don't think I've heard of them either, so very cool. Alright, last item I have, guys, is from Ofra. And this looks like a full-size bronzer from Americano. Was that tape too? No, okay. Big bronzer, so I'm assuming this one's full size, so let's go ahead and test that one out. Well, that's like light. That's quite light, which I like. It's very nice and bronzy. I'm trying to get into the light there. So this would be really nice for your bronzer, and then use that highlighter with it for the summer. That'll be really pretty. And that shadow, you just be gleaming all over. Like, hi, I'm here. Alright guys, so that's my Ipsy. I got quite cool stuff. Let me just stick that in there. I got some masks. I got 2 brushes, one with my points, a bronzer, a lip balm, eyeshadow, and this is the eyeshadow right here, and this is the highlighter. Let me open it. Yes, lots of makeup. I'm always happy with makeup. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.